The psychology of self-doubt. Have you ever wondered why you question yourself even when you've done well before? You replay conversations. You second-guess decisions. You downplay your own progress. Self-doubt isn't a lack of ability. It's a survival reflex. Your brain is wired to look for threats, not evidence of competence. So when you step into something new, a role, a responsibility, a chance, your mind asks, "What if I fail?" before it asks, "What if I grow?" In real life, this sounds like, "I'm not ready yet. Others are better than me. Who am I to try?" And here's the quiet danger. Self-doubt feels like wisdom. It sounds cautious. It pretends to be realistic. But most of the time, it's just fear asking for certainty before action. As 2026 begins, many people aren't held back by lack of talent. They're held back by mistrusting themselves. Confidence isn't built by waiting until doubt disappears. It's built by acting while doubt is present. Every time you move forward despite uncertainty, your brain updates its story about you. I survived. I learned. I can handle more than I thought. That's how self-trust is formed, quietly, repeatedly. If this feels like your inner dialogue, stay close. Subscribe for insight that strengthens self-trust. Share this with someone who underestimates themselves. Comment if you're learning to move without certainty. Like and follow Lite Studio, where growth begins with self-belief, not noise.